You want to make better drops. I want you to make better drops, and you want you to make better drops. Anyways, there's this little trick called complexers. What are these? How do they work? Let's talk about it.
I often call these either complexers or xylanters.
You have something and it's playing a melody, but each note of the melody is a different sound.
Practically, yeah. You know, you have these very quick changes between different sounds. That's all it really is. In this case, each of these does have a note that's playing. So yeah, so you will get a sense that there is a melody there. So we've got this one little piece of Austin's bass. Yeah, just that octave up F. And then we've got what seems to be a very simple, like, bit crushed thing here. Yeah, literally just square wave with a saw on top, and it's up a fifth with some downsampling. Literally just a square wave with bit crush on. Yeah, a little choir texture I made, and that's literally just a Logic inbuilt choir. Sped it up 200%, so it moves up an octave. Icicle lead sound with bit crush on. And yeah, I also like offsetting them tiny amounts and seeing how that sounds. So you can see how that would... You can just come up with different patterns like that very easily.
This is a small little snippet of our In the Dot episode that we did with Chime breaking down his song Voidwalkers. If you want to check out that full walkthrough plus get a free sample pack from the sounds that were made from Voidwalkers, there is a link down below, or you can head on over to donation.net/Voidwalkers. Go check it out right now.